Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Second of all, you're gonna learn so much about hand expression today. So if you want to learn more about hand expression, please stay tuned. All right guys, so basically when you hand express, you need to hand express after pumping so that it can prepare you for your next feed. So right now I am feeding, so I don't really need to pump, but I am going to hand express after I am done feeding her. All right guys, so when you are hand expressing, you want to take your boob. I did put tape, and you want to massage it. And it actually feels really, really nice. You can actually feel your milk ducts in there. Massage underneath, all around. Massage this. You are able to hand express. For me, hand expressing is mandatory. Please don't mind my kids in the background, guys. It's just me and them here, and they are a wild bunch, so yeah, just ignore it. So yes, what hand expressing does, it's like another supply and demand thing. It's telling your breast, your body that you are getting ready to feed your baby again, and it actually helps produce more milk. And it actually feels really good, guys. Like, just massage your breasts. If you don't like to do it and you have a partner, ask them to do it. Like, sometimes I have my husband help me hand express when I'm just too tired, or if I'm feeding the baby on this side, he'll just come over and rub this one for me. If you guys have ever milked a cow, you don't like just squeeze the nipple part. Don't just squeeze your nipple part. You're going to come from above your areola. Okay, so you're gonna, sorry about that. You guys are going to start at the top of your areola and pinch down like this. I'm just showing you that. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. So that really helps with let me grab the baby. All right, here is Paisley. Say hi, mama. If you guys like her outfit, shop my baby boutique. I will leave it in the link. I'll leave it in the description box down below. So I am launching October 23rd. If you guys want to shop this outfit for under 40 bucks. Guys, do your kids listen? What type of discipline do you guys use on your kids? Leave it in the comment box down below, because I feel like I tried everything and my kids still don't listen to me unless I get like super crazy, mean mom, yell. I don't know why. Okay, so since I fed her on this side, but I haven't hand expressed on this side yet, I'm going to feed her on this side, and this boob will actually give her more milk. Crazy, right? And I can actually feel my letdown. You guys, it feels like a tingling sensation. Like when you have a letdown, it feels very tingly. Oh, I love breastfeeding so much. Is that bad, Dad? You got a lot of milk in there. You get a lot of milk out. Yeah. I swear my baby could talk. Like, she understands me. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for hand expression. It's basically just massaging your boob, circular motion. Make sure you get the milk ducts. Make sure you get around the areola, the nipple area. Do it on both sides, and then you can hand express. It's like a downward motion like this. Into a cup, into the bottle, so that you can save it for later, so that when you are not able to breastfeed, you are able to give your baby that bottle. Hand expressing is good for women whose nipples are inverted, whose babies don't have a really good latch. It helps produce that milk when they are not able to have that sucking baby on them all of the time. If they are not able to afford a pump, get WIC, guys. They give you free ones. Yeah, hand expression helps with all those things. Make sure you consult your lactation nurse or doctor before you try any tips that you are seeing here on YouTube, because we are not paid professionals. We are just professional moms who breastfeed, who likes to give advice. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, I have a lot on my page. Just scroll down. I have a lot of breastfeeding videos now that I see that you guys like those type of videos. So yeah. Oh, and shout out to my subscriber who gave me this idea to do a hand expressing video. I love you guys so much, and please subscribe to my channel. If you want a shout out, use this secret emoji that I know you made it this far in the video, and I will shout you out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe down below. Peace.